2026 Nokia 1100 4G is a powerful comeback of a legendary mobile phone that once ruled the global market with its simplicity, durability, and unbeatable battery life. In this modern era of smartphones, Nokia has decided to revive the iconic 1100 name with advanced 4G connectivity while keeping the classic spirit alive. This device is designed for users who love reliability, long battery performance, and practical features without unnecessary complications. The new Nokia 1100 4G blends nostalgia with modern technology, creating a perfect balance between the past and the future. The design of the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G stays true to its original identity but comes with refined curves and a stronger polycarbonate body. The phone feels solid in the hand and offers a comfortable grip. It is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry in any pocket. The tactile keypad provides smooth typing with improved spacing for better accuracy. Nokia has enhanced durability with reinforced corners and scratch-resistant coating, making it ideal for everyday rough usage. The device is available in multiple classic color options that reflect both retro charm and modern style. One of the most impressive upgrades is the 4G LTE connectivity. With 4G support, users can enjoy clear HD voice calls through VoLTE technology. Call quality is sharp, stable, and reliable even in low-signal areas. This makes the phone suitable for rural regions and users who prioritize strong network performance. The inclusion of wireless FM radio allows users to listen to their favorite stations without needing earphones, which is a practical feature for outdoor use. The display on the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G is a 2.8-inch QVGA screen that delivers bright colors and clear visibility under sunlight. The interface is simple and easy to navigate, making it user-friendly for all age groups. Large icons and readable fonts ensure accessibility, especially for senior users. The phone runs on a lightweight operating platform optimized for speed and efficiency. Basic applications such as messaging, contacts, call logs, calendar, alarm, and calculator are neatly organized for quick access. Battery life has always been a strong point of the 1100 series, and the 2026 model continues this legacy. It is powered by a high-capacity removable battery that can last several days on a single charge. For users who need a dependable phone during travel or work shifts, this extended battery backup is a major advantage. The device also features USB Type-C charging, allowing faster and more convenient power support compared to older micro USB models. Storage and performance are upgraded to meet modern needs. The Nokia 1100 4G includes sufficient internal storage for contacts, messages, and media files, along with a micro SD card slot for expandable storage. Users can store music, photos, and recordings without worrying about space limitations. The phone supports MP3 playback and has a loud rear speaker that delivers clear audio output. A 3.5mm headphone jack is included for wired audio lovers. For basic photography needs, the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G comes with a rear camera equipped with LED flash. While it is not designed to compete with smartphones, it is capable of capturing simple photos and short videos when needed. The camera interface is straightforward and easy to use. The LED flash can also function as a torch, which is extremely useful in emergencies or low-light situations. Security and practicality are important aspects of this device. The phone supports dual SIM functionality, allowing users to manage two numbers at the same time. This is particularly beneficial for business and personal use separation. The phone book capacity is expanded to store thousands of contacts. There is also support for wireless connectivity features such as Bluetooth for file sharing and pairing with wireless accessories. The 2026 Nokia 1100 4G includes essential smart features while maintaining simplicity. Users can access basic internet browsing through the built-in browser, check emails, and use selected lightweight applications. The interface remains clutter-free and distraction-free, making it perfect for users who want to stay connected without being overwhelmed by constant notifications. Parental control and limited app usage make it suitable for children as a first phone. Durability testing ensures that the device can handle everyday drops and tough conditions. The sturdy keypad, dust-resistant design, and long-lasting build quality reflect Nokia's commitment to reliability. This phone is ideal for workers, travelers, elderly users, and anyone looking for a dependable backup device. Another key highlight is its affordability. The 2026 Nokia 1100 4G is positioned as a budget-friendly device that delivers essential features without high cost. It is designed for markets where affordability, durability, and network reliability matter more than advanced smartphone capabilities. Overall, the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G successfully revives a legendary name with modern upgrades. It focuses on what truly matters: strong battery life, reliable calling, simple interface, and solid build quality. In a world filled with complex smartphones, this device reminds users that simplicity can still be powerful. If you appreciate practical technology that gets the job done efficiently, the Nokia 1100 4G is worth considering. If you enjoyed learning about the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G and its features, make sure to support the channel by liking this video and subscribing for more updates on the latest devices and technology trends. Your support helps us bring more detailed reviews and exciting content in the future.